Alright guys, we're getting ready to go to a car meet right now. We're not installing the headers this video, but we'll go on to the next video. But a test to see how many people could last on this, if they last all the way. Alright guys, we're on our way to the car meet. Let's see what kind of cars they got. Yeah, enjoy the ride because I'm gonna be recording on my Insta360. Alright guys, we made it here to the car meet. We got our car all parked up here. Let's see what they got. They got another Corvette right here.
The girl with the Jeep is gonna come over and smack me in the mouth.
I like the way this one looks. A nice intake there.
This is like a mom's car.
What did you just say?
That's like a mom's car.
Dude! And check out this one, guys. I really like this sticker it has. The Benny's, you know, you know. A Hellcat is... Okay, I see you got the RT right there. Guys, so we got a challenge now. This is the electrocution challenge. Let's see how much people can last with this. All right, we got our first contestant. ¿Te llamas? Uh-oh, we got the cops. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Eduardo.
Me dices cuando ya, Our next contestant here, what's your name?
Ryan.
You ready to get shocked?
Yeah.
All right. Get it.
That shit's scary, bitch.
Oh, look at him. He's vibrating right now. He's vibrating. You let me know when. Okay.
Start out small so I can see it. I just get a.
All right, guys, we got another contestant. What's your name?
Squid.
Squid. We got Squid here. All right. Let's see how much you can last.
Don't forget to let me know your YouTube.
All right. Are you ready?
No, slowly, yeah.
Okay. I'll go as slow as possible. See, that's how you want. Zoom into the hands real quick. Let's see if they start curling. You got it.
Stop.
Stop.
No, my nerve.
Yo, you guys want to do a challenge real quick? It's a voltage challenge. See how long you can last. Almost to the end.
Let me try it on low first.
All right. Okay. All right, we got another person here. What's your name?
Caleb.
All right, Caleb, you ready?
Yeah.
All right.
Just keep going. Okay, stop.
Okay. All right, he's running it back. Let's get it.
I want to run that back.
We got our next contestant. What's your name?
Charlie.
You ready?
Yes.
All right. Let's get it.
Stop.
Oh shit.
Cuando tú no habías llegado, ya lo habíamos hecho nosotros.
¿Lo quieres hacer?
Ajá, dime, pero
Okay.
explícame primero.
Okay.
Nah.
No, pero, o sea, ¿cómo te llamas?
Ángel.
Okay, we got Ángel here. ¿Estás listo? We started. His hands are twerking.
¿Ya?
Todavía hay más. ¿Quieres que le pare?
¿Ya para?
Okay.
Pero, ¿ese era el máximo, no?
No, ese no era el máximo.
Ese era el uno.
All right, we got another contestant, guys. What's your name?
Michael.
All right, Michael, you ready?
Yep. Yeah, Maddie's house.
It was at this moment that he knew he fucked up.
Oh, he's twisting. He's twisting. You alright? I'm alright.
Just all the way real quick.
Real quick?
Or like go up gradually, but just hold it at max for just a second and then let off.
Alright, you ready?
Yeah.
You let me know. You let me know.
Alright, that's good.
Okay. Almost max.
pretty
Almost
strong
max.
breathing.
All right, we got another person. What's your name?
Raul.
All right, Raul. You ready?
Yep.
All right, let's get it.
Dude, is it even on?
Huh?
It's on?
What the fuck?
Oh shoot! Let me know when to stop. Let me know.
Oh, what the fuck? Nah, keep going, keep going.
We got one person that finally got all the way. All right, you ready? I'm gonna go faster now.
Okay. Oh!
You taking a
Let me know.
shit?
Let me know.
I was trying to go straight again. All right, thank you, man.
Yeah, thank you for.
Damn, bro.
All right, we got our next contestant. ¿Cómo te llamas?
Miguel.
All right, let's see how much you got it.
Más.
Oh, you almost got it. You almost got it. Oh, hasta ahí o más. Yeah. You almost got it all the way, guys. You hold this one. You hold that one, and then like hold hands, no homo.
Wait,
you
what
recording?
did
What's your name?
Aiden.
All right, we got Aiden and Caleb. Let's get.
What the hell? Oh, I feel it in my arm. Oh, all right. I can't do it anymore.
You sure?
You go. No. Hell no. My arm started hurting.
All right, gang, we out. We out. We had no more people. People were pussing out. But let's get out of here, guys. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching my videos, guys. I hope you guys got to the end. Make sure you subscribe, like, and what do you gotta say?
Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Bye!